Good evening, UEP Restaurant. How can I help you tonight?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I please to know who am I talking to?
Miss Christine Heron.
Miss Heron, should I take this reservation table in your name?
Yes.
When and what time do you want me to reserve the reservation, ma'am?
Tomorrow at 9 a.m.
For how many people, ma'am?
For only one, please.
Would you prefer a non-smoking area or a smoking area, ma'am?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table booking?
Okay.
Ma'am, you are having a table reservation tomorrow at 9 p.m. for one person in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Heron.
Yes.
Miss Heron, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling UAP Restaurant. We look forward in welcoming you. Have a great night ahead, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to UAP Restaurant. May I ask if you have a reservation under your name?
Yes, I have made a reservation in the name of Miss Christine Heron.
Wait for a moment, ma'am. I'll just check if we have your name under our list. Please follow me, Miss Heron, this way. May I assist you with your table napkin, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This is our menu for your selection. We have chicken cordon bleu, pork tenderloin, and aged US prime rib eye. May I recommend the aged US prime rib eye because this is our best seller, ma'am. May I ask if you have a food restrictions, ma'am?
None.
Hey, ma'am. Excuse me for a moment.
Okay.
May I take your order, ma'am?
Can I order one aged US prime rib eye?
And for your drinks, ma'am?
I'll just take an apple juice.
Can I have the meal back? Excuse me for a moment, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want to have some of our distilled service water?
Sure.
Okay. Excuse me for a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bread. And here's your butter, ma'am.
Thank you.
May excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your apple drink juice. Enjoy your drink, ma'am. And excuse me.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I please your silverwares? Excuse me for a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your HUS prime rib eye.
Thank you.
Excuse me for a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your steak?
Yes.
Can I take your plate, ma'am?
Okay.
Excuse me for a second, ma'am.
Waiter.
Here's your bill, ma'am. I received 2,000. Excuse me for a moment, ma'am. I'll just get your receipt. Here's your receipt, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you for dining with us, ma'am. May I?